Fire mission! One round! What's happening right now is the cannoneer brings over the round and gets the round and the fuse verified. Verified, load.
1 Lima, wait for verified.
The charge comes off the back of the truck, gets verified by the chief. Verified. Right now, the cannoneers verify a bore clear and they ram the round.
Drop!
Once that round is dropped, the tray comes back up. Once the number 2 cannoneer loads in the powder.
Set, ready.
Once the cannoneers have set the howitzer into its firing position, I load, lay, and press ready. Stand by. Lay, keep back, Linda, warning message.
Verified!
Fire! I'm Staff Sergeant Stone, and that's how you shoot artillery.